Hey guys, welcome back to Guide Central, and in this video, I'll show you how to transfer your Sweatcoin to Coinbase step by step. If you're new here, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy crypto guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open your Sweat wallet up. Make sure you have enough Sweat tokens available for transfer. Keep in mind that you may need a small amount of Near for transaction fees if you're using the Near blockchain. Next, head over to Coinbase. If you don't have an account, sign up and complete the verification process. Once you're in, go to the receive section and find your USDT or Near wallet address. Depending on what Sweat wallet allows for transfers, copy this address and now return to Sweat wallet app and click on the send or transfer button. Paste your Coinbase wallet address and enter the amount of Sweat tokens that you want to send. Double check the address to avoid losing your tokens. After reviewing everything, confirm the transaction. The transfer may take a few minutes to complete depending on network congestion. You can track the status in the transaction history section. Finally, head back to Coinbase and check if the funds have arrived. If it takes longer than expected, check the Blockchain Explorer or Sweat Wallet support for updates. And that's it. You've successfully transferred your Sweatcoin to Coinbase in 2025. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.